Hey folks, Dexter Tugwell here, and let's talk about dropshipping. It's a business model where you sell stuff online without ever touching the inventory. Sounds crazy, right? But it's a real thing, and it's a great way to start your own business without breaking the bank. Here's how it works. You find a product you think will sell, list it on your online store, and when a customer buys it, you order it from a supplier who ships it directly to the customer. You make money on the difference between what the customer pays you and what you pay the supplier. One of the best things about dropshipping is that you don't need a lot of money to get started. You don't have to buy inventory up front, so you can test out different products and niches without risking a lot of capital. Plus, you can run your business from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. So, if you're looking for a way to be your own boss, set your own hours, and have the potential to make a lot of money, dropshipping is definitely worth considering. But it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. But if you're willing to put in the effort, dropshipping can be a rewarding and profitable business. Alright, so you're interested in dropshipping. The first step is to find your niche. This is basically just a fancy way of saying, find something to sell. But it's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that you think there's a market for. Think about your hobbies, interests, and things you're knowledgeable about. Are you a fitness fanatic? Maybe you could sell workout clothes or equipment. Are you a tech geek? Consider selling phone accessories or gadgets. The key is to find something that you're excited about and that you think other people will be excited about too. Once you have a few niche ideas in mind, it's time to do some research. See what's already out there, who your competitors are, and what kind of demand there is for your products. You can use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and social media to get a better understanding of the market. Remember, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. It's perfectly fine to choose a niche that's already popular. In fact, it's often easier to be successful in a niche that already has a proven track record. The key is to find a way to differentiate yourself from the competition and offer something unique and valuable to your customers. Now that you've got your niche figured out, it's time to build your online store. This is where you'll showcase your products, process orders, and interact with your customers. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech whiz to create a professional-looking website. There are plenty of easy-to-use e-commerce platforms available, like Shopify, Wix, and Squarespace. These platforms provide you with all the tools you need to build your store, including templates, payment gateways, and shipping integrations. When setting up your store, focus on creating a clean and user-friendly design. Use high-quality product images, write compelling product descriptions, and make sure your website is easy to navigate. Remember, first impressions matter, so you want to make sure your store looks professional and trustworthy. Don't forget to choose a memorable domain name that reflects your brand and niche. You can purchase a domain name through a registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Once you have your domain name and website builder sorted, you're well on your way to launching your dropshipping empire. Okay, you've got your store up and running. Now it's time to find some products to sell. This is where dropshipping really shines because you don't have to worry about storing or shipping inventory. You can find suppliers who will handle all of that for you. There are a few different ways to find dropshipping suppliers. One option is to use a directory like Salehoo or Worldwide Brands. These directories vet suppliers for you, so you can be confident that you're working with reputable companies. Another option is to contact manufacturers directly. This can be a good option if you're looking for unique or hard-to-find products. You can also check out online marketplaces like AliExpress and Alibaba. Just be sure to do your research and make sure you're working with a reliable supplier. When choosing a supplier, it's important to consider factors like product quality, shipping times, and customer service. You want to make sure you're working with a supplier who can provide high-quality products, ship orders quickly, and handle customer inquiries professionally. Remember, your supplier is an extension of your business, so it's important to choose wisely. Take your time, do your research, and don't be afraid to ask questions. The right supplier can make all the difference in your dropshipping success.